What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna review and install this beautiful layered wig from Luvme hair, and this wig is completely glueless. So guys, if you want to see how I made it look very natural and looking beautiful as you guys can see, then please stay tuned and keep on watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you Luvme hair for sending me this wig, and guys, we're just gonna go ahead and unbox this. As usual, the wig came with a couple of gifts. This came around Christmas time, so I got some Christmas stickers, a comb, edges brush, headbands to set your edges, some wig caps, and here is the wig, you guys. So guys, I'm playing around with this wig and I got absolutely no shedding, which is really good. The wig is 180% density. This is a layered wig, which you guys will see very soon, and this also came pre-plucked and the knots have been bleached for you, so all the hard work is done. All you gotta do is put it on and go. And the lace is 5x5, so it's a closure, guys. And as always, there's a couple of combs in there, one on each side, one at the back, and also one in the middle. And it came with some adjustable straps to make sure the wig is tight enough, and it also came with an adjustable band so that you can adjust the wig. It is glueless, so this ensures that the wig stays on your head. So guys, as always, I've got my hair braided back so that it stays flat under the wig, and using my edge control and my edges brush, I'm just slicking my edges back to make sure that it stays away. You know, when I put the wig on, it doesn't show through the lace or anything like that. So now guys, I'm wearing my wig cap and I'm gonna use my foundation to just change the color so that it matches my skin tone a little bit more. You can save yourself some time by going on Amazon and purchasing some skin tone wig caps, which will be so much easier. But I like to wear a wig cap because it protects my hair. When I put on the wig, I don't like the clips pulling on my natural hair. That can get really annoying, so that is the reason why I like to wear a wig cap. So guys, like I mentioned earlier, this has been pre-plucked for you already. However, after putting it on, it was giving wig to me. Like the hairline was looking a little bit too straight, so what I decided to do is to pluck it a little bit more so that the hairline just flows and looks a little bit more natural. It's up to you though. However, I would definitely recommend that you do this if you want a more natural look, especially for a glueless wig. So guys, I don't know if you guys can tell, but after plucking it, the hairline is looking scrumptious. It's looking so natural, and I'm very happy with it. So now guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and flatten the wig by hot combing it, and I'm just adding some hair wax right now to help with the flattening process. You know, adding that just makes it shiny and it just helps to keep it flat. So now guys, I'm cutting the lace as you can all see, and even though this part has been fast forwarded, you can see how slow it's going. I'm really just taking my time with this part because I don't want to ruin the lace, and I'm not cutting it in a straight line. I'm cutting it in a zigzagging motion so that it just looks more natural. If you were to cut it straight, the lace might show a bit more than cutting it this way. I hope that makes sense, y'all. But yeah, take your time and you'll get it flawless. So this part is really not necessary, but I've seen people use melting spray to kind of press on their lace, and it just helps to melt the lace a little bit. So instead of melting spray, I'm using my Got2b to do that, and it helps to melt the lace. And for this part, I added some foundation on the tail of my comb just to define the middle part a little bit more. So now guys, I'm just using my straightener to straighten the wig, as you can all see. And as you can also see, I use the headband to set the lace so that it just melts into my skin more. There's no glue there, nothing. So this is just gonna help to, you know, make it look natural. And this is one side done. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. So guys, anyone can take a wig and put it on their head and they're good to go. I mean, wearing gold, right? However, it's all the little things that you do that makes the wig look natural. That's if you want your wig to look natural anyway. And look at that, guys. No glue, nothing, and it looks so good. All I did was pluck the wig a little bit more and defined the middle part, straightened it, you know, all these little things that I did just had a part into making the wig look super natural. And guys, look at that, I'm obsessed. And just to show you guys how secure it is, it's not going anywhere, and I'm literally pulling it really hard, shaking it like crazy. I used all the 4 combs and both adjustable straps, and obviously the headband as well. And guys, the quality of this hair is so good. It's not just about all the little things in the wig, but the hair as well is amazing. It flows like water, as you can all see. Even though I love the layers and the way the wig has been cut, I was very tempted to cut it my own way and add my own layers, but I just wanted to show you guys the wig as it is. Maybe in a separate video I might do that. I might cut it and style it my way. So let me know if you guys want to see that. Let me know in the comment box. But I came up with this really cute style, so if you don't want to wear your hair down, you can just use a claw clip or a clip and just hold your hair up, and because of the layers it just flows really nicely and it just looks really cute. Once again, thank you so much, Luvme Hair, for this amazing wig. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. It really means a lot. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.